Okay, I've succeeded in untying it. So it's time to open. Wow. There's a whole lot here. They are indeed weak. The bees are weak. I'm seeing and I can see a mite. Can you see clearly? This colony is not healthy. And there are more of drones here. So, don't forget to hang mine. Let me just keep it here. And take my hive too. Just cross combing here. That is happening here. They are all over me. This is a colony that I thought they are not active. But you can see they are all over me. You see the reason why it's good to do inspection, because I can see cross combing. They are close to each other, so bringing them out is a problem. But I have to do something. This is a fresh comb. see this fish first. And there's honey in it anyway, but not much is their food. Wow, I'm swallowing the smoke. So you give them smoke just to confuse them, to disorganize them. Good. All I want to establish is if there's a queen in this hive. But due to the nature of their cross combing, I can't be able to see if the queen is there and if the queen is actually laying eggs. It's a difficult one, but from what I've seen now, I think I have seen some eggs. And unfortunately, the comb is destroyed, but I can't do anything about it. Once I establish that there's a queen here, of which it's looking as if that there's a queen, I'll go to the next one. Because inside here, I can see some brood. Inside here, I can see some brood. Let me see if I can bring out this phone and come closer. So, if you check well, if you can see closely, you can see some eggs. You can see some eggs, which means there's a queen. There's a queen inside this hive. But unfortunately, you see this one, I have destroyed it. I have to put it back. It's kind of stiff. But why they are not active or maybe moving in and out is what I don't know. Don't worry, you see the other one over there, you see what will happen when I get there. I'm trying to pull this one in.